In this video, I teach you exactly how to use the Afrikaans word eie. Eie means own. If you want to say on your own, you say op jou eie. For on his or her own, it is op sy of haar eie. Hy wil op sy eie wees. Hy wil op sy eie wees. He wants to be alone, or he wants to be by himself. When you want to express that somebody is doing something of his or her own accord, you say uit sy of uit haar eie. Hy het uit sy eie na vore gekom. Hy het uit sy eie na vore gekom. And that means he came forward of his own accord. Om eie te wees met iemand. That means to be familiar with someone. Hy is 'n bietjie te eie. Hy is 'n bietjie te eie, which means he is a bit too familiar. Eie belang. Eie belang. That is the word for self-interest. Eie liefde. Eie liefde. Self-love or love of self. Eie soortig. Eie soortig. Distinctive. Eie wys. Eie wys. The word for obstinate or opinionated. And the last one, eie naam. Eie naam is the Afrikaans for proper name.